culture, welcome to the gang. Team illusion on the block, we meet up every day. We always switching lanes, we ain't never switching up. Put the pedal to the metal if you tryna keep up. You made this?
Welcome back to a new video. Team Illusion is back again, and my family, you guys, which are the one who support me. Today we're going to be working on my Honda Odyssey, and today we're going to put HID lights. I'm still missing a lot of parts because they have delays something, but you got to stay tuned for that. So let's wait. So I'm going to show you what I got today. I got two packages. One is I'm not gonna install it. I'm waiting for, let me see, 3 package, and that's when I'm gonna start doing modification with that. The first one, I'm gonna open it. The second one, I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna install it yet. Because still I'm missing 3 more packages. Yeah, 3 packages. They're still not here, but I'm gonna show you it and what are the plans I'm gonna do with it. So for now, I'm gonna open this one and this one, but show you mostly this one and that one right there. And then in the future, probably gonna install this one, but I have to do some modification with that. So let me open this one and then show you. All right. Sorry, I got one hand only. It's gonna be difficult for me. Okay, I got this in Amazon. This brand I always buy. I bought other ones. They crap. They shitty. This one right here. I've been using this since the video of the G35 coupe, the black one I had before. From there, I've been upgrading it to my BMW, my X5, my G35, my dad's car, my mom, not my mom's car, I mean other cars. This is the brand I go with. They got normal HID ballast, and they got the one with, which one was it? The proper with error code free something. It comes with an instruction, installation, helpful tips, information, how to install, what bean is it, is it the high bean or low bean. I think this is the ever one, I'm not sure. It comes with a ballast with the error one, but this is the brand right here. This is the one I always go. On the box you get, obviously you get 2 transformer or ballast, however you want to call it. Ballast for each headlights. They usually come with a plastic cover. I don't know why they just wrap it with a wrapping thing. They come with zip ties, double-sided tapes. You put it on here and you stick it anywhere if you don't want to put screws. And you want to tighten this up, you get 2 pairs of these. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see how I'm gonna install it. And that's pretty much it. So, I open it. This is how it looks like. Let me get the sun. The error code free is another blue box or a bigger one like this. And you just read the code to not bring the dash, a code saying, oh, you gotta burn headlights. So that's what it means. But my car don't need that because I don't have that special instrumental warning computer. This is the low beam. Located right there, and that's pretty much it. I think you gotta twist it, if I can focus it. My bad, sorry with camera. I think you twist it to the left, no. To the right, nope. Right there, right in that thing, right there. Push it inwards and then down, and that's how you unplug it. But I'm gonna put the camera down. My cameraman is sleeping right now, so I can't hold the camera. I mean, he can't hold the camera. So let me put the camera down. Okay, so you can't put your hand here because I'm too fat with my hand. So you can put it right here. Put the tab down right here. Push it down if you can't. Push it down with your hand. With one hand on the left side, where you're putting your hand over here, push down the pin, and then with a flathead screwdriver, just try to, let me focus again. Just try to push it downwards, that's it, and it comes out. And after that is removed. After that is removed, I just twist it to the left, and it comes out. Easy. Probably like a 20-minute installation, from my point of view. So that's the one. I'm gonna try to connect it before I do anything and check if it works. Always check your headlights. So I'm wrap this with my 2 hands. It looks so nice, pinkish. I didn't order pink, so we don't be putting in comment. Okay, one thing is I gotta mention: do not touch your hand, dirty hands or greasy hands to the light, the bolt, because if you touch it, you're gonna f up the headlight. Because I don't know, people saying that, but I believe them because that happened to me once. So do not touch it. Just be careful. You touch anywhere, dust, grease, anything, and they put it inside. And then that's it. And then I'm gonna show you the connections. Sorry about that. Only got one hand. Now, there's 3 cables in the bottom. This one, this cable right here. There's 3. There's 2 little ones right here. Let me see. Show you. Let me show you right here. This one I show you is the loose one right here. This cable, small one, and let me see. And this one. These 2 right here. You connect them to the transformer. So these 2 person connects to this. I mean, 2 person. These 2 cables get connected with these. This one gets connected with the round one, and the round one connects with the small one. Female with a male, better like that. And this one I believe is the plug and play from the white cable right there. If you can see it from here. That white cable, that's the main power source. So you connect that. So let me show you where it's going to be connected, and that's pretty much it. So I was wrong. There's 4 cables actually. Where's the light go? Oh shit, I almost broke it. This is the one that you connect to the white cable. This goes with the clip. When you press down, it goes right here, and you put it in, and it's going to make a snap sound, and that's it. This one goes to the transformer, to the male to female, and this one's gonna be, this is, I believe this is male, and the other is the female, and this is the one you connect with right here to the ballast. So right now I'm gonna connect it to the ballast and test it out if it works before I do anything. I'm all done. That's it. It's pretty basically done. This is what I'm talking about. Sorry, the camera angle. Okay, that's what I'm talking about right there. These 2 cables with the female and a male connected to there, snaps, and it snaps too. Pretty much all you have to do is tuck it in, install this one, and put it right here. It's not gonna bother anything from my point of view. So let me just finish up wrapping up, and first let me turn it on. Let me see how it looks. I mean, you can tell that's bluish, and this is yellowish. Yeah, you can barely see the yellow, but you can see the blue. I think this is a 12K, 12,000 K something kilowatts. So you know it works. So now I have to take a picture though, because I need it before and after for the thumbnail. Okay, so I am done with this one. For safety purpose, I'm gonna just put a zip tie so it won't fall down. I mean, it's thick for now. I am gonna put a screw. They have a hole right here and another one right here. I am gonna put a screw to be safe. The other one, I can put it right here, not blocking anything, and do the same. So basically, it's a plug and play. It's 20 minutes. For me, it's probably gonna be 1 hour or anything. Stop dusting. Alright, give me 1 second. And then done. Give me 1 second. Comparison? It looks nice. Not gonna lie. Look at that. Look at that. So, it looks better than nothing. I think that's the muffler, I'm not sure, or the flex pipe. I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. So let me continue finishing everything, and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn my car on so you can see the lights. I'm recording you, right? Alright. Oh shit. So. Look up. See? It turns bluish. It's a 12K. Right as hell. Must have died already. Pretty much it. There's a clip for that. As you can see, we're done. We're installation, like this plug and play, 20 minutes only. Finally, I got my cameraman. Simple. Like I said, I'm gonna just screw this on next week probably because I'm kind of busy. This 4 cables, simply the power, the one you connect to the ballast, and the 2 little female and male connect to the ballast. And the headlight is pretty simple. That's it. The only 2 I use is this flathead. You have to push down the pin because it was hard in the pickle. But it's looking great. Compared to the yellow ones I have, they look better than nothing. Now, the second package. Let me turn the car on and everything shows. Now the second package is this. Still missing 3 more package. This is the second one. Got cables, brackets, 1,000 zip ties, a switch, and a book. Instructions. I bought fog lights. For the car. I'm not sure how they go. Never mind. They go like this. Why I'm not installing it is because I'm gonna do some custom mods with it, which I'm waiting for the headlights. I'm gonna take the headlights out, customize it, paint it, and do like a show mode lights, chasing lights, something like that. So that's the reason I'm not installing, because I'm installing a pair, the whole thing, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. The budget way, not the expensive way that nobody can afford, $900, $300 sequential light or anything. But we're gonna make a budget looking nice and sexy, and pretty much it. So this is gonna be my project car. My Q50 is gonna be my other project car, which I'm not driving, so I'm gonna be taking the bumper off. With anybody who wants the bumper, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna customize the headlights too, take it out. I'm gonna make a budget oven, so you don't have to buy your own oven, and pretty much it. So I hope you liked the video today. Please comment down below, subscribe. I'm gonna share the videos, and I'm gonna be posting weekly or bi-weekly, I'm not sure, depending on the package, but I'm gonna keep you updated with my stories. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and everything, and I'll see you in the next one.